Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, PJ with CLK Supplies, and I have Eric with Jim's Locksmith Service with me. And you know, when we were doing the van tour with him, he happened to show me something that I'm like, you know what, this is absolutely pure gold. So if you're looking for a locksmith tip, I got one for you. Eric.
Yep.
Show us what you got here.
Well, I've got basically they're what you just hook onto your windows to be able to move them out of place. We modified it so that we could put it and call it my third arm, so that when you have panic hardware, all you got to do is shove this thing on the door, suction it up, does no damage, works great, makes it so you don't have to break your arm trying to hold the panic bar on. I'll show you how it works. So now you got it right there. You can put your panic hardware. I mean, this isn't the right door for it, but doesn't matter. You can have it, and you only have to hold the head of it, line it up, screw it into the door. You don't have to mess with it at all. If it's not quite in the right spot, it's easy to take off, and then you can just readjust. And like I said, no damage. Works on metal doors, glass doors. Doesn't work so good on wood. But you know, a lot of the industrial stuff, when you got to put a panic hardware on, it's always metal, so it saves me a ton of time, and most of the time I have to fight my guys back for this thing, so. That's it.
Well, Eric, that is absolutely amazing. Now, where could someone get one of these windows?
I just got it from our local window guys because they were installing the new windows here, and they ordered one in for me, and I just bought a little bracket, replaced the screws so that they were a little bit longer, put some rubber up here so it wouldn't scratch anything up. But it's a really, really basic tool, and it's just a window installing tool. That's all it is. So any window guy should be able to get you one.
Absolutely amazing. Eric, great tip. I'm telling you what, if you work with panic hardware and you install it, having this tool is a game changer. Eric, thanks for the tip.
Yep.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.